Hello my dear students, welcome to your geography class. We are going to start chapter 7 Europe. Syllabus for November examination. Chapter 7 Europe. Everything from the chapter is included like facts, geographic facts, map, etc. This chapter was completed before first unit exam. Exercise, question answers and maps are already completed. But I am uploading revision videos for the better understanding of the chapter. Kindly watch videos regularly. Location of Europe. Europe is a continent located entirely in the northern hemisphere and mostly in the eastern hemisphere. It comprises the westernmost part of Eurasia and is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and Asia to the east. It is separated from Asia by Ural Mountains, Ural River, Caspian Sea, and Black Sea. Eurasia means the combined landmass of Europe and Asia. Dear students, please find Mediterranean Sea, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Black Sea and Caspian Sea on the map of Europe. Next is why Europe is called Peninsula of Peninsulas. A peninsula is a landform surrounded by water on the majority of its border while being connected to a mainland from which it extends. Peninsula word has been originated from the Latin word peninsula, from pen, which means almost, and insula, which means island. In Europe there are so many peninsulas like Iberian Peninsula, Scandinavian Peninsula, Italian Peninsula and Balkan Peninsula. So that is why Europe is called Peninsula of Peninsulas. In the picture you can see is a peninsula. The land is bordered by water from almost all the sides, leaving only one part which is connected to the mainland. Political divisions of Europe. Political divisions means the countries. Russia is the largest country not only in Europe but also in world, and it is the country which lies in both the continents of Europe and Asia. The other important countries are United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Poland, Ukraine, Norway. Political divisions of Europe. The Balkan states: Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, Kosovo, Montenegro, Macedonia, Romania, Serbia and Slovenia, together known as the Balkan states. These countries lies on the Balkan Peninsula. The Baltic states: Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia. These three countries are together known as the Baltic states. The lowland countries, that is the countries of Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg, are called the lowland countries. They are called so because they are located in the low-lying plains in Western Europe, and some are even located below sea level, means their height from sea level is very low. The Scandinavian countries, Denmark, Norway and Sweden are the Scandinavian countries. The Nordic countries of Finland, Iceland and the Faroe Islands. These three Nordic countries, Finland, Iceland and Faroe Islands, are also included in the Scandinavian countries due to their historic and cultural relation with Norway, Sweden and Denmark. That's all for now, dear students. So your homework is read pages 90 to 93 of your geography book. Learn facts and geographic facts given in the book. Learn keywords of these pages. Thank you so much.